Namaste, this is Sylvia Mordini, the founder of Alchemy of Yoga. Yoga has saved my life more than once, more than twice, more than 3 times. Without yoga, I wouldn't even be here talking to you now from my heart. And I'm so excited about my online 200-hour yoga teacher training certification program. This has been a dream come true, a long time in the making. And for a very limited time, Yoga Alliance, the governing board of yoga, has approved that graduates that certify under my program may register with them as RYT, registered yoga teachers at the 200-hour level. These are epic times, unprecedented times, and they are made extraordinary not only because of what is going on, but the possibility for us to invest in ourselves, in our growth, in our awareness, and be transformed by the end of this experience. So my program is 8-week long, hybrid of both self-paced study as well as then live interactive sessions on Zoom that'll be juicy, fun, and really inspiring with people from all over the world who, like you, have always wanted to do a yoga teacher training, but circumstances just didn't allow them to until now. So this is that opportunity to step in. The word alchemy means transformation. It's to take something ordinary and make it extraordinary. You are extraordinary, and these are extraordinary times. So let's step into that and let's co-create together. Let's elevate the energies that exist and help bring healing to ourselves, bring healing to the world around us. Imagine that you would learn modalities that you could go out and teach and help support other people to help reduce their stress, their worry, their anxiousness. Imagine that you could do that from anywhere in the world, and you can. I really would love for you to join me on this epic adventure of spirit through the internal landscape of ourselves. There's no greater adventure than to go within. And I'm so excited to hold space for you. I'm excited to have these 200 hours together. We will have lots of one-on-one time as well as being with an incredible tribe of people. This is an intimate group. This is not going to be overly large. It's just the right number of people at just the right price point to make it affordable. I even offer you a payment plan to make it even more easeful, because I understand this is in your heart, you want to do it, and I want to remove all the barriers for you being able to do just that. With all my heart, this has been my greatest joy. It is my dharma to teach this program and to encourage you to really aspire to live up to your greatness. And so this is the opportunity. It's happening May 4th through June 29th, and I couldn't be more delighted. This has been Sylvia Mordini, founder of Alchemy of Yoga, and I can't wait for you to introduce yourself to me. Let's book a call together, shall we? Just check the link and book a clarity call so that we can just chat and I can learn more about you and you can see if this is a really perfect fit for you. I'd love to have that chance. So from my heart to your heart, to the heart of the universe, namaste.